after a certain uptrend, and on top there will be this formation. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sujit Nair. In my previous video, I had mentioned four major bullish candles which are commonly used by most of the traders. Today, I would like to give you some clarity about four common bearish candles which are mostly used by the traders. So let's come to the screen. So these are the four common bearish reversal candlesticks pattern. Now, what do you mean by bearish reversal? Bearish reversal simply means that when the price is in a certain uptrend, from there are signs of exhaustion or there are signs of profit booking. So there are certain candlesticks which help us identify this exhaustion. So let us see on the screen. The first common one which is used by most of the traders is a shooting star. Now, shooting star is very similar to an inverted hammer. Now, inverted hammer simply means that the candle will look like an inverted hammer. That's all. The color of the candle does not matter. It can be a green candle or a red candle, but this basically will be found after the uptrend. The next one, if you can see, is again a favorite of the bears. It is called the bearish engulfing candle. This is exactly opposite to the bullish engulfing candle, which I had mentioned in my previous video. If you have not seen those videos, kindly go ahead and watch them as well. So the bearish engulfing candle simply means that this candle, the red candle or the bear candle, will engulf the previous green candle or the previous bullish candle. This again is a sign of exhaustion. This body will entirely engulf the previous green candle. This is the place where we can come to a conclusion that this could be a probability that the price might start correcting from here. The third one is again a very common candle. It is called the evening star candle. Now, evening star candle, if you see, it cannot be found as a single candle itself. It's a pattern or it's a combination of three candles. Now, the price is in an uptrend, post which there is a gap up and there is a small candle formation. Now, this can be either a green candle or a red candle, it doesn't matter. But post that, the third day, the next day, there will be a bearish candle, which is also called as the follow-up candle. So these three candles in this formation is called as an evening star candle. This again is a bearish reversal candle. The fourth candle or the fourth common candle is called the hanging man pattern, hanging man candle. Now, hanging man simply means that the candle looks like someone is hanging, right? So there will, again, this doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It can be a red candle or a green candle. The body will be similar to a hammer. There will be a long wick and there will be a short wick on top. Now, once you are an experienced trader, these wicks can be identified. There are some patterns where the wick might not be there or it will be very small, which cannot be spotted easily. That then, but again, it will be called as a hanging man pattern itself, because it will be after a certain uptrend, and on top there will be this formation. Post this formation, you will be able to realize that, you will be able to understand that there is a possibility that the price has come to an exhaustion and the price is going to correct from here. So these were the four common four common bearish candles. Hanging man was the fourth one. So there are multiple candle patterns that are visible on the charts. These are the four common patterns which are used by most of the traders. Now, again, I have mentioned in the previous video also, kindly go to the chart, spot these patterns, spot these candles. If you don't know how to open a chart or how to plot a chart, kindly watch the first video where I have clearly mentioned how to go to trading view and open the chart and plot the trend lines, etc. So in those videos, once you start practicing all the things mentioned in those videos, you will definitely come to understand that how these things can be done. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and in the future, in the next videos, I'll also be covering more details about these candles. I will also show you these candles on the chart, so wait for those candles. You can subscribe to the channel and also contact us on the details mentioned below. Thank you.